Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I've got a simple feminine birthday card to show you, using some items from the Heart and Home suite. You can find this suite on page 58 through 61 in your spring mini catalog. This mini catalog is about to retire, which means that right now the designer series paper is discounted 10% to $14.17 and only available while supplies last. The Blessings of Home stamp set and Coordinating Flowers of Home dies are both carrying over to the new annual catalog. Let's take a closer look at this gorgeous designer series paper called Heart and Home. As you can see, on one side of the paper are these beautiful floral and geometric designs, and on the other side are these wood grain designs, several different ones, all in basic gray and white. We're using both sides of the paper in today's card. I'm going to start by stamping a flower from the Blessings of Home stamp set on my large scrap of white cardstock, and I'm using Memento Black ink to do so. Remember to always use Memento Black to stamp if you plan to color your image with your blends. I'm also going to stamp the sentiment, "Have a perfect birthday," on this small scrap of white. I'll cut out the flower I stamped using the coordinating dies. Now it's coloring time. Blends come in a pair of dark and light. I like to color in my whole shape with the light, and then add accents and shadows in dark. There are lots of other ways to color too. Remember to protect your working surface with a piece of scrap paper underneath when you're coloring with blends, as they are strong enough to go right through your cardstock. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'll embellish with some polished dots. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!